Hello everyone, my name is Chaitanya Bhute and today's video is all about data analytics of hospitals in India state-wise. So these are the content which we will go through in this video. What is data science? What is data analytics? Why we use data analytics? About the data, what is Data Studio? Explanation of Data Studio report, future scope and conclusion. So to begin with, what is data science? Data science is the field of study that combines domain expertise, programming skills, and knowledge of mathematics and statistics to extract meaningful insights from the data. Data science practitioners apply machine learning algorithms to numbers, text, image, video, and audio to gain insights. Now, we'll move forward to what is data analytics. Data analytics is the science of analyzing raw data in order to make conclusions about that information. Data analytics techniques can reveal trends and metrics that would otherwise be lost in the mass of information. This information can be used to optimize processes to increase the overall efficiency of a business or system. State-wise. Now, the question arises why we use data analytics. Data analytics is important because it helps businesses optimize their performances. Analytics is systematic computational analysis of data or statistics. It is used for the discovery, interpretation, and communication of meaningful patterns in data. Data analytics is also the pursuit of extracting meaning from raw data using specialized computer systems. These systems transform, organize, and model the data to draw conclusions and identify patterns. So now we'll move to the main part of this data analytics process, that is about the data. The data set is imported from Kaggle. The novel coronavirus has caused acute shortage of healthcare infrastructure. The dataset contains number of beds and hospitals in different states and union territories. This data, along with the patient database, can be crucial in predicting the acute shortages of medical infrastructure and supplement wherever necessary. The main motive behind choosing this data was to showcase that where we lie as a nation in healthcare department. Today, there are confirmed 98 lakh plus cases of coronavirus and still counting. So by keeping such situations in mind, what infrastructure we are supposed to maintain so that we can tackle all such problematic conditions. Data Studio is a free tool that turns your data into informative, easy to read, easy to share, and fully customizable dashboard and reports. We can present our data story with the help of various charts. The data reports are easy to share and collaborate. All such features make Google Data Studio an interesting platform to use. So here in our data, which we are going to use in Data Studio, we are having 28 states, 8 union territories, and one overall feature as total. We are having attributes as states, primary health centers, community health centers, sub-district divisional hospitals, district hospitals, and beds in each state. In the very first visualization, we have a table which shows the states with their number of total hospitals. We can see that Uttar Pradesh has secured the first spot with 4,122 hospitals, followed by Maharashtra, which has 3,239 hospitals. Total number of hospitals in India are 37,725. In the second visualization, that is pie diagram, it shows number of beds in each state. Tamil Nadu ranks first with 72,616 beds, followed by Maharashtra with 68,998 beds. In India, there are total 7,39,024 beds. In the third visualization, that is bar chart, we have compared same attributes or features, which is total number of beds. And here also the result is same. UP at first, followed by Maharashtra. As Data Studio provides us various visualization opportunities, we have explored them. One of them is Google Bubble Map. This also gives us the output accurately with precise state's location. We have also explored Tree Map, which is also easy to understand. Here also, results are Uttar Pradesh at top and Diu Daman being at the bottom for number of hospitals. In the donut pie chart, we have compared feature, that is primary health centers in all states. Here also, Uttar Pradesh has maximum number of primary health centers, that is 3,277, which is followed by Maharashtra, that is 2,638 primary health centers in all states. In the line chart, we have compared feature, that is district hospital. Uttar Pradesh has ranked 1 by 174 district hospitals, followed by Maharashtra with 70 district hospitals. All over India, there are 1003 district hospitals. In our last visualization, we have compared feature, that is community health center. Uttar Pradesh has got 671 community health centers, followed by Rajasthan, which has 579 community health centers. All over India, there are 5,568 community health centers. So for the future scope, we can say that data analytics is nothing new. The insights that big data and modern technologies make possible are more accurate and more detailed. In addition to using data to inform future decisions, you can also use current data to make immediate decisions. By being well prepared for any future pandemic situations, we can tackle them more strongly. Having an idea about what infrastructure is available and where are the loopholes which need to be covered is the plus point which can surely be beneficial in future problem like situations. So for the conclusion part, we can say that by analyzing there is lots of work to do. Being a nation of 135 crores, we can't leave our healthcare department away from all the necessary things. To provide proper treatment to each and every citizen of this nation needs high class infrastructure. To deal with any serious conditions, all states need to be well equipped with all the necessary things. Number of hospitals and number of beds should be increased so that no patient will suffer. At the end of this case study, we can conclude that we need to upgrade all the infrastructure and be well equipped for any problematic situations. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.